What's up, RC addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another boat, second boat for the channel. It's Proboat Sonicwake. It's a 36-inch self-riding, deep V, ready-to-run boat. I saw this last year and I had to have it, and eventually I got it. It's here. This was another thing I got for Father's Day. I got a gaming chair and I got this. So let's go ahead, open it up. Let's see what we got. Yes, sir. Y'all ready for this? Ooh-wee. Look at that. Just look at it. Nicely packaged. Nicely packaged. Alright, so let's see what we got going on over here. Looks like a transmitter. Let's just get it going. There we go. Okay, you got your Spectrum transmitter tucked away on the inside there. Boat stand, bag of stuff. And the boat. Man, it is sleek. Even through the plastic, it's sleek. So you guys know this boat's been around for a while, so I won't get too deep into the tech specs about it, but I'll tell you the basics. Let me get this plastic bag off first. Oh man, she's a beauty. She is a beauty. Alright, so Proboat 36 inches long. It's like 11 inches wide, I think. It's ABS plastic. I'm gonna unscrew the tabs here so we can get the canopy open. Give you a brief show around. The water rocket. All right. Here we have our boat. So, like I said, it's ABS plastic, nice sturdy, heavy-duty construction. You got a nice foam seal here. I do recommend still running tape around the edges here to keep any excess water from getting in, just in case, because water likes to creep in everywhere. You have 120 amp ESC. Yeah. You got 120 amp brushless marine ESC in here. A water-cooled brushless 1900 kV motor. Like I said, it does come with the Spectrum STX2. Yeah, Spectrum STX2 transmitter. And you get all the trim settings on there as usual for your normal transmitter. It says this thing does like 50 miles an hour on 6S. That'd be awesome. That would be great to see. So it's self-righting. It's a self-righting boat. You can see this hole here. It'll fill with water once it's upside down. Then I'll get heavy and then just roll right over. Metal prop, metal rudder, aluminum. Same for the turning fins. It's a Proboat Sonicwake, baby. Yes, sir. And we're going to get it out and have some fun. Pick this up at my local hobby shop, NWA RC Raceway. Thanks, Ray. You hooked your boy up. Oh, what comes in the bag? You get your instructions, which I do recommend you read. Looks like some Velcro or some foam pads. They do give you 4 AA batteries, buy and plug to rebind if you need to. So I'll be reading this because I know nothing about boats, like I said in my last video about the Arrow. Let's see, let's get a size comparison with the Arrow here. Proboat, size comparison with the Arrow. I have it sitting right here. Let's see. That's a whole foot longer, just about. Just about. Yeah, that's it. Just a quick unbox. I'm kind of doing this quickly so I can hurry up and get out and meet the wife and kids out there. It's 4th of July. Happy 4th to you all. Happy 4th. And yeah, just trying to go meet them out there and have some fun. So on that note, I hope everybody's enjoying themselves. Have a good time. Be safe. End the day with all fingers attached to your hands. And that being said, God bless. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, stay tuned for notifications about more videos like this. And yeah, until next time, God bless. Share the knowledge. Keep the hobby alive. Peace.